Hi, my name is Nishantini Anak Perempuan Kumar Segar and I'm a member of Group 1.
Hi everyone, I'm Vitra Balakrishnan and I'm from Group 1.
Hello everyone, my name is Noor Alia Shuhada binti Shahafuddin.
Hi, I'm Vitra and I contribute myself by doing the slides for the concept of nanotechnology, advantages and disadvantages of nanotechnology, and for the food packaging part for the applications of nanotechnology in food industry.
To successfully complete this assignment, I took charge and lead the team throughout the project. My contribution includes by creating the timeline slide, fields in technology slide, and did the research focusing particularly on nanocapsules, which are significant application of nanotechnology in food industry. Lastly, I edited this video as an end product.
For this assignment, my contribution were creating the slide on the following topic. The number 1 is nanotechnology in the food industry. Number 2, application of nanotechnology in the food industry. The last one is food safety and quality.
As what we can see here, these are the timeline or the plans and what we did throughout the time given to finish up this project. We basically started on 29th May and finished it on 18th June.
I'll be explaining about the concept of nanotechnology, which includes the meaning of nanotechnology and how it works. Do you guys know what is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology involves manipulating single atoms and molecules to form structures at the nanoscale, where 1 to 100 nanometer, enhancing their unique properties for various applications. And nanotechnology also defined as the technology on the nanoscale and the engineering with atomic precision. Advantages of nanotechnology in electronic fields, where it enhances nanotransistor, nanodiodes, plasma display, and quantum computers, that leading to more advanced electronic products and application now and maybe in the future. Furthermore, nanotechnology also contributes to the creation of smart drugs with fewer side effects. Even though there are many advantages of nanotechnology, there are also some disadvantages of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology also can lead to significant unemployment in traditional farming and manufacturing industries as automations and precision techniques, and reduce the need for human labor, that causing skill mismatches and potential market consolidations. There are many health risks that nanotechnology can cause, as inhaling nanoparticles that could lead to serious respiratory problems, cellular damage, and unknown long-term effects similar to those seen with asbestos. Furthermore, the development and manufacturing of nanotechnology highly expensive due to the need.
As what we can see here, these are the fields in nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is widely used in agriculture, cosmetics, medicine, and other fields as listed here. It is still developing, especially in food industry. It is expected to grow over time. In this study, we will look at how nanotechnology is used in the food industry, particularly in food processing, packaging, and food safety and quality.
Nanotechnology involves manipulating materials at a very small scale, less than 100 nanometers. In the food industry, it helps improve production, packaging, and safety. These tiny components can enhance food quality, safety, and nutritional value. However, using nanotechnology in food requires careful consideration of safety, regulation, and public perception to ensure it is implemented responsibly.
Let us all see what is food processing. As we all know, processed food lasts longer and don't spoil quickly as fresh foods. In today's video, we'll explore how these advancements in nanotechnology are making our food safer, fresher, and more nutritious. Let's dive into the world of nanotechnology in food processing. Out of all the nanotechnologies in food processing, we will be focusing on nanocapsules, which is a tiny carriers used to deliver nutrients or additives in food. Nanocapsules, how do they work? Better absorption, maintaining quality, encapsulation? I don't understand. Well, don't worry, let me explain to you. Nanocapsules make nutrients easier for the body to absorb, better absorption. Other than that, they preserve the texture, flavor, and nutrition value of a food, maintaining quality. And also, nanocapsule protects sensitive ingredients like vitamins and probiotics during processing and storage. Encapsulation. These are the preparation method of nanocapsules. Firstly, emulsion and diffusion method. Combine the active ingredient and polymer in the organic solvent. Mix the solution to allow the solvent to diffuse out, forming nanocapsules. Remove the remaining solvent. Second method, phase separation. Mix the active ingredient and polymer in a solvent. Change condition like temperature or pH to make the polymer form droplets around the active ingredient. Third method, layer by layer assembly. Start with nanoparticles or droplets. Alternately add layers of positively and negatively charged materials. Continue until you have the desired amount of layers, forming the nanocapsules. Fourth method, nanoprecipitation. Mix the active ingredient and polymer in a water-miscible organic solvent. Pour this solution into water under stirring to form nanocapsules. Evaporate to get rid of organic solvent. Fifth method, spraying drying. Dissolve or suspend the active ingredient and polymer in a solvent. Use spray dryer to turn the solution into fine droplets. Evaporate the solvent, leaving behind nanocapsules. Last method, ionic gelination. Dissolve the polymer in water. Add the solution to cross-linking agent to form gelled nanocapsules. Properties of materials in nanocapsules. What are they? Let's dive into it. Nanocapsules are usually nano-scale, typically in spherical. They are also biocompatibility, which are safe and degradable in our body. They also have solubility, which are good dispersion in water and various of solvent. They also have a high permeability, which means selectively allows substance to pass through a barrier. Examples in daily life, which is application of nanocapsules in daily life. We have flavors and fragrance in food product, which is flavor bars, a type of chewing gum. And then for vitamin and nutrients beverages, we have smart fish, which is omega-3 capsules, which you basically might see your parents taking it. And then for the third example, we have probiotic fortified yogurt, which is a probio yogurt.
Food packaging also one of the application of nanotechnology in food industry that explains the use of nanoscale materials and processes to enhance the properties of food packaging. This also involves the improving packaging abilities to protect the food from the external factors such as moisture, gases, and microbes. Biodegradable nanocomposites, also known as the example of food packaging in food industry, where it explains biodegradable nanocomposites are materials that combine biodegradable polymers with nanoscale fillers that can enhance their mechanical, barrier, and functional properties of a food packaging. Now, I'll be explaining about the preparation method of the biodegradable nanocomposites. First of all, selection of biodegradable polymer, where the common biodegradable polymer include polyatic acid, which known as PLA, and polyhydroxy alkanoates, where it's known as PHA, and starch-based polymers. As the second method, selection of nanofillers, such as nanoclay, cellulose, nanocrystals, or graphene oxide that are selected based on the desired properties, for example like mechanical strength, barrier properties, and much more. Thirdly, the dispersion of nanofillers, where it includes solution mixing and melt mixing. Fourth method, processing techniques, that includes extraction that I mentioned before, and casting and electrospinning. There are many properties for biodegradable nanocomposite food packaging. First of all, the biodegradability, where it's enhanced degradation rate, and the environmental compatibility. The second properties of the biodegradable nanocomposite food packaging is thermal properties. For example, increased thermal stability. Barrier properties, also known as one of the properties of the biodegradable nanocomposite packaging, where it includes gas barrier and moisture barrier. And lastly, the functional properties, where it includes antimicrobial activity and optical properties. There are some real-life examples for the application of biodegradable nanocomposites food packaging. For example, like the vacuum packaging films that are used for vacuum packaging of meat and seafood. And secondly, the ready-to-eat meals like microwavable trays And thirdly, the dairy products packaging.
Today, I will explain how we are using advanced technology to detect harmful bacteria in food. We are using tiny particles like nanoparticle, cotton dot, and nanocomposite because they are incredibly sensitive. They can detect even very small amount of harmful substance. To make them even more effective, we are coating this particle with special antibodies or aptamers. These are like tiny sensors that specifically recognize and bind to bacteria such as E. coli and Salmonella. Okay, the first point is height sensitivity and specificity. Our materials detect every small amount of pathogen accurately due to their specific binding and large surface area. Okay, point number 2 is durability and stability. Number 3 is rapid response time. They provide quick result, crucial for timely action and maintaining food safety standard. Real-life application of on-site testing and quality control in the food industry. First, on-site testing and quality control are widely used in the food industry. This helps to ensure that the product meet at the necessary standard and are safe for consumption. Second, inspection in restaurant and retail store is crucial. Routine inspection helps to make sure that the food sold to customer is free from pathogenic contamination, ensuring the safety and health of consumer.